Sorry for the shaky hands. That says Ranger. She's pretty bad. And yes, that was on purpose. 2.8 piece of junk, but pretty rusty, and it's trusty actually. Don't say that much. And the light don't work. Don't tell me my battery died. Oh yeah, rust holes on the floor. Can see the ground. Dashes behind the seat. Naked wires, dangerously. And night mode sucks on this camera. Let's pump her 1-2 times. Neutral. Brake lights on. The back right brake cylinder screwed up. Runs pretty good. Pop the hood. Probably smoking, even though it's got new gas in it. Yeah, a little bit of smoke. Alright, hang on while I set the camera down. There we go. 2.8 Ford. Runs good, but could run better. There we go. Idle down now. Junk in the back of it. All kinds of stupid stickers. That Ranger's in pretty good shape actually. Yeah, winch that works in the front. Like I say, it's pretty bad in 4-speed. Good exhaust shot. Just got a pipe coming out there. I'll rev it up. Be right back. Yes, that was pretty loud. This truck's actually very loud. Honda and Ronnie. Hey Ronnie, what have you got to say about the Bronco, the Turd Bird, and the Ranger? Okay. Okay. I might can edit you out, I don't know. That's definitely not mine. Hey, they spelled it wrong. Well, close enough to Turd Bird. Tud Bud. Shut up, Neb. Yeah, 52 ain't doing much. No motor. Quick vision, shot with night vision. Hear bees buzzing around. I can't get them right now. They're in there. Explorer, which also ain't mine. Boat, which ain't mine. That is partly mine. And it ain't doing much at all. It ain't been moved in, well, since then. Completely in pieces. And serious rust in this one. And junk piled up. It had a tree growing through the bumper. So guess that's pretty much what I've been up to. See y'all later. Bye bye.